going to perform Surya Namaskar. Step 1, Namaskar. Step 2, lean back side. Step 3, both your hands will touch the ground. Step 4, one leg will go back side. You have to look up. Step 5, both leg will go back side and you will have to, the posture will be a mountain posture. Step 6, chin, chest will touch the ground, knee will touch the ground and bump will be up. Step 7, you have to look up. Step 8, again mountain posture. Step 9, one leg will come up and it has to be both between your hands. Step 10, both leg will come up, your hands will touch the ground. Step 11, lean back. Step 12, Namaskar again and it's finished. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,